Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Check your Samsung model and firmware so you know which codes apply, and note the exact error message. Next, make sure battery is above 20% and the phone is on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Once done, free up 4 to 8 GB of storage and connect the original charger. This prevents interruptions. Now, power cycle the device once and prepare to enter diagnostic or service codes. I'll guide you through the first actionable steps. You'll now enter the code carefully. Follow the exact format for your model. For example, star hash sequences like *#06# or model-specific service codes. If codes are blocked, enable developer options and check dialer permissions in settings so the phone allows UST or hidden menus. Once permissions are set, try an alternate dialer app or use the Samsung member's diagnostics tool to access the same tests. If a code returns no response, try again after a short reboot. Finish by acting on the diagnostic results. Clear the app cache, reset network settings, or run the cache partition wipe to resolve software conflicts. Once done, verify the code now works. If issues persist, backup data and perform a factory reset. Make sure your AMA and Samsung account are noted so you can restore services. If the code still fails, contact Samsung support or an authorized repair center. One key tip: if codes intermittently fail, test on safe mode to rule out third-party app interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.